Hi everyone! Today we are heading to Perisher and we will be staying at Jindabyne Inn Hotel in Jindabyne. Jindabyne is a popular alpine town that sits on the shores of the beautiful Lake Jindabyne near the snowy mountains. It is a popular holiday destination, especially in winter. The hotel is 2 minutes from the shopping center and you have a beautiful view on the lake. The room is very clean, bed is comfy, you have towels, soap, linen and even breakfast is included in the price. Perisher Valley is located in the snowy mountains of New South Wales in Kosciuszko National Park. 5.5-hour drive from Sydney and 2.5-hour drive from Canberra. Access to the valley is via the Ski Tube Alpine Railway or by road.
Having fun?
Yes, like a kid. I love snow.
Hi guys, so look at that. We are in Perisher today and so we are staying in Jindabyne Inn Hotel or something.
Jindabyne Inn, yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, so it's been snowing yesterday night and this morning. So you have to pay the park fees to get into here. So the park fee is $17 per car. If you're four-wheel drive, it's alright, you don't need a chain, but if you're two-wheel drive, so it's recommended that you get a chain stuck in your car in case it's snowing, so you have just to fit the chain in.
picture, please. So they have continental breakfast as well. It's included in the price of the room. They have snow cakes, fruits, yogurt, and they offer also milk and juice. And have a beautiful place here to have a seat to have the breakfast in the morning. And they also have a bar there which is open I think from 3 to 9 p.m. And so it's self-serve from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Enjoy! You had a nice sleep?
Oh yeah, it was great. And you?
Yeah, it was great.
No, I thought you were
It
going
was
to
warm,
eat.
yeah.
She made it. I've been looking out for somebody just like you, but then you walk on by and I knew what I had to do. The way you're moving, the way you shine, everybody's watching you. I wanna make you mine. The way you're looking, the way you smile, it's like you put a
Perisher is for everyone, from those who have never stepped on skis or snowboard before, to freeriders who love its steep. There are plenty of runs to explore across the valley. Each village has its own personality.
now. somebody just like you. But then you walk on by, and I knew what I had to do.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you liked the video. If you want to support us, make sure to like, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook for the most gorgeous photos. Stay tuned, more to come. Thank you. Bye.